Get ready to elevate your gaming experience with the Acer Nitro 5 AN515 5857Y8 gaming laptop. Powered by the 12th Gen Intel Core i5 processor, this laptop delivers immersive and competitive performance for all your games. Experience picture-perfect visuals with the latest NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 Ti, 4GB dedicated GDDR6 VRAM, and a 15.6 Full HD IPS display with a lightning-quick 144 Hz refresh rate. Your game sessions will be fluid, unbroken, and unmatched. Equipped with 16GB DDR4 3200 mAh memory, 512GB PCIe Gen 4 SSD, and killer Ethernet E2600 and Wi-Fi 6 AX11650, this laptop ensures seamless multitasking and prioritizes your gameplay with lightning-fast connectivity. The newly refined chassis features dual fan cooling, dual intakes, and a quad exhaust port design, keeping the laptop chilled to perfection. Plus, with a variety of ports including USB Type-C, Thunderbolt 4, and HDMI 2.1, you can easily connect all your accessories.